As you may already know, a Toyota legend has returned, the all-new Toyota Supra.
The Toyota Supra is arguably the most celebrated model in Toyota's rich sports car heritage. First introduced 40 years ago, the original A40 Supra was followed by 3 further generations, A60, A70 and A80. Now we are almost ready to reveal the A90, the 5th generation Supra. Whilst we can't reveal the full details yet, we can share some key information. First of all, the new Toyota Supra is true to its roots. It's a pure handling sports coupe with rear-wheel drive and a turbocharged inline-6. To be sure of delivering a pure handling sports coupe, the chief engineer Tetsuya Tada and his team have focused on 3 key elements: agility, precision, and stability. The ratio between the wheelbase length and the track width determines the level of a vehicle's agility. And to deliver a high level of precision and response, the body rigidity of the new Toyota Supra is almost as high as the carbon fiber Lexus LFA. This is combined with a center of gravity which is lower than that of the Toyota GT86 and an almost perfect front-to-rear weight distribution of 50-50. Finally, Chief Engineer Tada and his team have meticulously refined the suspension system, calibrated the active differential settings, and optimized the detailed aerodynamics to create a stable but agile coupe that responds faithfully to the driver's inputs. The result is a fantastic driver's car with very pure handling characteristics. And of course, Tada didn't forget the performance. Powered by a 3-liter twin-turbo inline 6-cylinder engine delivering well in excess of 300 horsepower, the new Toyota Supra delivers scintillating performance. We will start the online reservation for the first 900 units as from October 2nd in the major European sports car markets.